Go ahead.
You're there, everywhere. I need you in my arms when I'm cold and lonely, crying without you here. I need you when I have no underwear. You always have an extra pair to lend me. My days are cold and my day is lonely. The wind is blowing and I'm so sad. Why is it so bad? Hey, but I love you and I tell you every day that I love you and I just wanna say you're my girl. You're my girl, and I love you every day. Is that okay? Yes.